Do you like listening to Jordan Peterson, Tony Robbins, Jim Rohn, Alan Watts, and many more great speakers? That's obviously a yes if you're listening to this podcast. You need to head over to the Influencer Archive YouTube channel right now through the link in the description and subscribe, as this podcast is not going to be around forever. But our YouTube is, with all the best and most up-to-date archives of all your favourite speakers, with new videos and lectures daily. Nowhere else can compete. Subscribe now before this podcast disappears. Boom, and we're back, covering and summarising James Clear's Atomic Habits. We are now on to the third key principle from the book. Humans are motivated by anticipation of reward, so making habits attractive will help you stick to them. In 1954, neuroscientists James Olds and Peter Milner ran an experiment to test the neurology of desire. Using electrodes, they blocked the release of the neurotransmitter dopamine in rats. To their surprise, the rats simply lost the will to live. They had no desire to eat, drink, reproduce, or do anything else. Mere days later, they all died of thirst. The human brain releases dopamine, a hormone that makes us feel good when we do pleasurable things, such as eating or having sex. But we also get a hit of feel-good dopamine when we simply anticipate those pleasurable activities. It's the brain's way of driving us onward and encouraging us to actually do things. So, in the brain's reward system, desiring something is on par with getting something, which goes a long way toward explaining why kids enjoy the anticipation of Christmas so much. It's also why daydreaming about your upcoming hot day is so pleasurable. We can also turn this knowledge to our advantage when trying to form habits. If we make a habit something we look forward to, we'll be much more likely to follow through and actually do it. A great technique for this is temptation bundling. That's when you take a behaviour, what you think of as important but unappealing, and link it to a behaviour that you're drawn to, one that will generate that motivating dopamine hit. Robin Byrne, an engineering student in Ireland, knew he should exercise more, but he got a little enjoyment from working out. However, he did enjoy watching Netflix, so he hacked the exercise bike, connecting it to his laptop, and writing code that would only allow Netflix to run if he was cycling at a certain speed. By linking exercise literally to a behaviour that he was naturally drawn to, he transformed a distasteful activity into a pleasurable one. You don't need to be an engineer to apply this to your life. If you need to work out, but you want to catch up on the latest A-list gossip, you could commit to only read magazines while at the gym. If you want to watch sports but you need to make sales calls, promise yourself an hour of ESPN after you've talked to your 10th prospect. Soon enough, you may even find those unattractive tasks enjoyable, since you'll be anticipating a pleasing reward while carrying them out.